Hey everyone, Reggie Williams here from the Massachusetts Budget and Policy Center, here to discuss the state's rainy day fund with our senior analyst, Kurt Wise.
Hey, Reggie. Good to talk with you.
Great to virtually chat with you as well, Kurt. So let's just dive right in. So what is the state's rainy day fund?
So the rainy day fund is more or less like a savings account for the state, something that we can turn to when there isn't enough revenue flowing into the general fund. It's a way to help our state government continue to provide things like healthcare, education, public safety, all kinds of other priorities, even during difficult economic times. So it helps us bridge the gap in the budget when there's a crisis. And then when the crisis is passed, we can sort of, when the economy rebounds and tax collections recover, we can rebuild the fund.
Okay, great. Well, will the rainy day fund cover all of our needs as a state?
So we have a significant store of rainy day funds, $3.5 billion. That's going to help us weather the initial round of shocks created by COVID-19. But no, that's not going to be enough for all the things that the state has to do. We're going to have to find other revenues, and in particular, we're going to have to look to the federal government for help.
And what help can we expect from the federal government?
So that's still a moving, moving piece. Things are changing quickly on the ground. The Senate today, it sounds like, approved a $2 trillion package, but a lot of that money is, it sounds like, is dedicated to individuals, businesses, and hospitals, which is great, but there's going to need to be really significant infusions of federal support to state and local governments. So it's not clear at this point what we can count on from the federal government, but boy, we're sure going to need it.
Is there anywhere else where we can expect the Commonwealth to look for additional revenue?
So again, the federal government is the principal place we want to look first, but sort of in terms of our own resources, yeah, there's some things that we can do. We can review special business tax breaks. Those are costing the Commonwealth over $1 billion a year. These are a bunch of tax breaks that have not been shown to be either efficient or effective. We can also look to close tax loopholes, corporate tax loopholes that the federal government has already closed. Things, for example, that allow very large multinational corporations to offshore income to tax havens and thereby avoid taxes in Massachusetts. These are all things we can do immediately to kind of bring in a little more revenue here at the state level to help us during this time.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Kurt, for that update. And to our viewers, we'll continue to post other updates. So if you'd like to follow us at Mass Budget on social media, on Facebook and Twitter. And then also you can sign up for email alerts at bit.ly/B, alerts, so MB alerts. And we look forward to you joining the conversation with us. Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you, Reggie.